Hey
guys! Today we're gonna be making clay, and I have blush on today. Yeah, you wanna do it?
Ooh, so pretty, Anna. Hi, Daisy. Should we make some clay today? Let's make some clay, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, we have all of our ingredients out. What we have here is, go ahead, Anna.
So we have 2 colors of food color, and we're gonna do 12 red and 4 blue to make Dusty Rose, and vegetable oil,
Wow.
vanilla extract, cream of tartar, which I already opened, 1 teaspoon, measuring cup, salt, flour.
Alright, and then we have our ingredients list right here, so we know how much to put in. Alright guys, let's get going on our clay. Let's see how it turns out.
First we need 2 cups of flour. So we're going to do 4 scoops because this is a half cup. Where's that next?
Yep. So guys, you're basically going to want to just throw all of this stuff in the saucepan like we're doing right now, okay? So Anna's putting in the 2 cups of flour. And this is going to be a big batch, I think. 2 cups. Last one we made was only 1 cup.
Yeah.
Everything is doubled on this one. We're going to have a lot of clay, guys.
Vegetable oil. Oh. I got 3. No, this is the 4th one.
Oh, we're at 2 cups, guys. Alright. Alright, Anna, what's next?
Next, we need 1 cup of salt.
Alright, let's get that salt in there.
Can't get it open, Mommy. Could you help me? Then we want to use this, right?
What does it say on the recipe?
It says 1 cup.
Yep, so 1 cup of salt.
Fill it to the top.
That says 1 cup. Wow, that seems like a lot of salt, doesn't it, guys? Comment below if you guys think so. I don't remember putting in this much salt in our last clay. But we'll see. Hopefully it still turns out alright.
Well, we're doing double everything, aren't we?
Yeah, so I don't know. It's a different recipe though than the last one we did. Alright, so what do we have next?
We have 1
Tablespoon.
2 tablespoons of cream of...
Tablespoons. You got the right one, right?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Does it say no? Guys, I got the wrong one. We need tablespoons. Alright. 2 tablespoons. Be very careful, Anna. Don't spill it. Alright, dump that probably in. 1 more.
Alright.
Alright, now 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Alright, here's your teaspoon. And your cream of tartar. And you want 2 of those. It's alright, just put in your cream of tartar. That's okay. It's probably stuck to it. Don't over it. You gotta do it over it, remember? Just in case.
1 tablespoon or 2?
2. Okay, dump it in. 1 more. Okay.
Not done yet.
Yeah, here. That's it. Okay, dump it in. Alright, next we got 2 cups of water. Fill up our cup 2 times. 2 cups of water. say hi, Zay Zay? Say hi! Hi, everybody! I'm Zay Zay.
Alright. Go
Aww.
back to me.
Zay Zay's so cute.
Yes, he is cute. He's so cute.
Alright, Anna's got one cup.
And it has the salt in it, so that's a good thing.
Got another one. Alright, and then we need to get our food color in there, guys. After Anna gets that other cup of water, and we'll turn this guy on and we'll get this plate going.
Alright. We're gonna make a big batch this time.
Alright, Anna, what do you want for coloring? Do you want to do purple again?
No, it's gonna be Dusty Rose.
Dusty Rose. Dusty Rose. I want to see how this turns out. Guys, if you like the color at the end, comment, let us know if it looks cool or not.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Alright, let's put in the other one.
we need 4.
Alright, guys, we're going to turn this on and start mixing our ingredients together, and we'll see how this turns out when we get done with it. Alright, guys, we got the heat on. Anna's stirring it up.
It's like making
I see some
stew.
color coming through there. Gotta get those big clumps out of there. Anna. Mix it real
That's
good.
what we're trying to do. Okay, I got it.
Come on, let me break it up for you. A little more, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks weird, guys. That's a weird color.
No, I like it. It's pretty.
We need the whisk.
I thought last time you said we can't use a whisk.
It's not mixing like it should.
It's like we're making a purple cake. Isn't it, Mommy?
All that flour and all that dried stuff has to get broken up.
It's kind of
And guys, when
getting.
it starts getting closer, you'll see it start to turn into like a big ball at the end. And that's when you want to kind of turn your heat down or off, because you're getting really close to being done with your plate then. Alright, Anna, keep stirring that. We should be getting there pretty soon. Our heat is getting higher. We'll come back to it.
Guys, so Mommy took over.
It's getting a little hard to stir, guys. You can see we got our clumps coming in here. It's getting thicker. And you just want to keep stirring it, occasionally taking off of the heat, you know. See here. Look at that, guys. We have play.
Almost.
It's getting there. See, you want to make sure you mix in all your stuff. Don't spill it, guys. Don't spill it like I did, okay? Look at that mess.
Not a big mess. And I'm gonna tell them our biggest rule. If you make a mess, we clean it up.
Yo, biggest rule, guys, anytime you do projects, experiments, anything that's messy like this, make sure you clean your messes up, guys.
Ooh, guys, look at that. It's turning into Play-Doh.
Ooh, I think we have Play-Doh, guys. Oh no, Anna didn't mix all in the bottom. Alright, so we're gonna cheat. Just so we can get this mixed in a little more. Okay.
Is that hot? We have Play-Doh on the stove, guys. Play-Doh on the stove.
Oh no!
Say hi. Hi. We know you're Zay Zay.
Guys, look at this. Check this out. We have clay.
Oh yeah, that Play-Doh's coming in. Coming in hot. Get it. You want to say hi? I do. We have our clay, guys. Yay.
So you're gonna want to put it in a baggie after it's done. It's gonna be hot, guys, so be very careful putting it into your baggie. And if you use a whisk like us, you're gonna want to break all that out of there and just stick it in the baggie with it, and it'll keep it fresh for as long as you want it to. Keep it stored, guys. It's so much fun to make this stuff. You can do it anytime, any color, right?
Yeah. Guys, Mommy's putting it in the bag so it can cool down. Here's.
Hey guys, the best thing to do is stick it in the fridge or the freezer so it can cool down.
Faster.
Alright guys, so we got it in the bag. It's in the freezer, right Anna?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we have it in the freezer cooling down, guys. See, there's our clay. And we're gonna let that sit for like at least 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to it and check it out and see how cool it is. If it's good to handle for the kids. We're hoping that, right?
Yeah.
So you and Zay Zay can play with it. But we'll come back in like 30 minutes, guys, and we'll check on our clay. Okay, so while we're waiting, guys, we're gonna do clean up.
Clean up, everybody clean up.
Clean up, everybody do your part. Clean up,
Everybody clean up, clean up, everybody do your part. Capsule.
Yeah, even Zay Zay says clean up, everybody do your part. Clean up. Woo!
Everybody do your part. So, while the video's cooling, I'm gonna.
Video is cooling. Videos can't cool
Well,
down.
the pizza's cooling.
What? Pizza? We don't even have pizza.
I mean, while the Christmas tree's cooling down, I'm gonna sing you guys a song. Dusty Rose, I need to play with you. And I can eat you 'cause you're made of food. And I can freeze you 'cause you're in the freezer. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. You're in my stocking.
You're singing Merry Christmas to your clay.
You're in my stocking. And I'm gonna play with you every day. 'Cause
Guys, she's
I'm
crazy.
weird.
I don't know what she's doing anymore. Do you know what you're doing?
no.
I didn't think so.
And you could be the star on the Christmas tree.
Ooh, I want to be the star on the Christmas tree. Can I climb to the top of it?
No.
Ah, you're so boring. Yeah, we just took it out of the freezer, guys. It's still a little warm, but it's manageable for the girls to play with. So Anna's gonna play with it a little bit before we put it up. Isn't that cool looking, guys? I love that color that she did. What is it called?
Dusty Rose.
Dusty Rose. Just like in Anna's song, guys. Just like in her song. Dusty Rose.
Dusty Rose. I wanna play with you.
That's a pretty good batch of clay, too. That's pretty big.
Yeah, and I'm just getting all those clumps of dry ingredients and
Yeah, some of our flour and stuff didn't mix in all the way, so Anna's squishing it together for us. Alright guys, that's our video. That's how to make clay. If you like it, hit like. Share this video to your friends, guys. Comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It's very important. Alright guys, this is